Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions and become a member to support our work directly. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video. On July 6, 2020, officers with the Houston Police Department were dispatched to the scene of an alleged family violence incident. Apparently, the grandchildren got into a little tussle in front of Grandma, and the police had to get involved.
Hello. Okay. So is she gone already?
Yeah, she got on to the hospital.
Okay.
We still want to file a charge on him and take him down.
Is he here?
Yeah.
Okay. Why did he jump on her?
Oh, she was just talking. He just started cussing. I think he was high on something.
Okay.
And with the cussing, fighting, broke her phone, drug all in the street.
Okay. And she's at the hospital. You know where they took her?
They took her to, I think the one on Yale.
The 610 at Yale? Or the doctor's Tidwell?
Yeah.
Tidwell and Shepherd? Okay.
So we would call him out?
We'll go in a second. Let him get some gloves. How bad was she hurt?
Well, he drug all down the streets and stuff, scanning home and stuff, her face.
Was he punching her, or were they just like wrestling?
No, he was punching her.
Okay.
And she's just 16, he's 19.
Yeah.
So I want to file a charge against her.
Okay. Does she live here?
Yeah, we both do.
Okay. Does her mama live here too with y'all? Do you take care of her?
I take care of her.
So you're the primary guardian? Okay. Alright.
How old is he?
19.
He's been smoking some drugs, you think?
I sure do.
Okay.
Where he was at.
You ever been in trouble with the law before?
He was in trouble. Atlanta, like a hospital case.
In Atlanta?
Here.
Oh, here. Okay.
He was got out on bond for that.
Okay. Alright. Well, let's go talk to him.
Okay.
Yeah, after you. Yes, ma'am. Since it's your house and all.
Mama! Mama! Let me see. Mama! Mama! Oh, the police want to talk to you. Hey, you coming out the restroom.
Okay.
Here you go.
Your support makes this possible. If you're enjoying this video, consider becoming a member of the channel to get early access to all videos before they go public.
What's going on, man?
Oh, nothing. The application.
She
scratching me around a little bit.
She scratched you up?
Yeah, she scratching me up.
Okay. Why are you fighting with her?
Because my granny was talking about something, and she told her to move, and she didn't want to move, so, well, she did move, but she started like this kind of minute after my granny told her to move. It was just a little tussle, it wasn't nothing physical. She was scratching me around, nothing big, nothing major. She just tried to scratch me,
So your cousin was telling Grandma to move?
No, me and my granny was talking. My granny had told her to move because she sat in front of us.
Okay.
And she didn't want to move because I guess she got mad.
Okay.
Excuse my mad. So,
no.
She didn't want to move, so my granny, she didn't want to move. So when she did move, like, she moved, my granny got in front of her. She got hot, like she was moving and all this and that. So I just walked up on, this thing that she was about. She was scratching me up, we just put each other. It wasn't nothing physical,
Okay. So why is she at the hospital then?
She not at the hospital.
They took her to the doctor's office?
No, she did. She across the street.
Why did your granny tell them that she took her to the doctor?
Actually, about 3 Miss Blouse. Her mama came and took her to the hospital. She was being dramatic, but it wasn't she didn't even fall. It was just scratching. It was nothing. Look at my face. I ain't hit it at all. We was just pushing each other, scratching. She was scratching me, but I ain't scratched her. She just got to the hospital. She was being dramatic at first. She went across the street at first. I don't know why her mom came and got her. Okay. She was just doing too much.
Alright.
She just scratched me on my stuff. My granny came and pulled, scratched me on my arm. It was just like a little family fight. Nothing major. It wasn't nothing. It was nothing hard.
So here's the deal. Since she's not here, we need to go talk to her.
Okay.
We gotta get her side of the story, right? We got your side. We need to talk to her because Granny's saying one thing, but we need your cousin's side of the story.
All right.
So if she's at the doctor's office, we need to go meet up with her.
Okay. I didn't know she was a doctor. I thought my granny told me she went to the neighbor house across the street. She must have just went to the doctor right now. But first she went to the neighbor house. The neighbor came outside. She went to the house. It wasn't nothing. She not hit. She wasn't nothing. It was
all right. So if that's what it is, then that's no big deal. But We gotta take you with us to go talk to her.
For sure.
Just so we don't, waste a bunch of time. You put a shirt on?
Yeah.
All right.
Extra calories while comfortably sitting. The QB is awesome.
You got a mask or something with you or nah?
I'll use my bandana.
Okay.
Hospital, mama.
Yeah.
Look at me seeing the fight, I'm seeing
We're gonna go this way.
Alright, so we're gonna take him with us. We're gonna go try and meet up with him at the hospital or the doctor's office. Can you call your daughter and say, hey, just if you're there, just stay there, and we're gonna come meet up.
Okay.
Okay. What's her name?
Jalea, are they gonna take him down?
Well, we're gonna go talk to her first. We need to get her side of the story and see if there's any injuries before we can call the DA and try for charges.
Okay. I don't want him out of here.
So if you could just
See where she is.
yeah, give her a call and see. If you could call her right now, that'd be great. See if she's still there, and if she is, we'll just come to her.
Okay. Hello? Jalea, the police they want to talk to you. Here they is.
Hi, Jalea. Hey, it's Officer Tucker, Houston Police. Where are you right now? You at your grandmother's house?
Yeah, man. She at the park.
Okay, and where is that?
That's on park. Tell her to calm
Okay.
down.
All right. Well, stay there. We're gonna come talk to you over there. Okay. Okay.
That's
You got it. Okay. We'll be there shortly. Okay. All right. Thanks. Bye bye. All right. Well, that helps.
Okay.
All right. And so they were arguing, and then he just started punching her.
She start fighting.
Was she scratching, punching, hitting?
She's trying to fight back, but no, she can't. Like I told her, you can't fight nobody. No man.
Was he the primary aggressor? Like he started it?
Yeah, he started it. Yeah, he started it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. We're gonna go visit her, and then we'll go from there. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Miss Elliott. Thank you. Jalea. All right. So what happened today? Okay. Like what kind of fight?
Like a physical fight. He got mad at me because him and my grandmother were talking. And I was in between them, and I couldn't move because the seat behind me was dirty. So he started cursing me out, and I did the same back to him. My grandma told me get up and walk to the car, so I did. When I turned around, he was running up on me, so I dropped everything that I had in my hand, and we started fighting. He threw me down to the ground, and that's it.
Okay. Did he punch you at all, or?
Yeah, we were fighting like.
Yeah, both throwing punches. Okay. What are you trying to have happen today?
My girl wanted me to press charges.
Yeah. What do you want to do? I mean, do you feel like he just come at you for no reason, or were you kind of instigating, trying to, both talking enough smack to just want to fight? Like, were you saying let's fight?
No, I didn't tell him let's fight. He just ran up on me. We were cursing each other out, yeah, but I didn't want to fight him because I know he's a bull.
Are you hurt anywhere? Injuries, anything like that?
No, just a minor scrape. It's nothing big.
Okay. And you're 16 or 15?
I'm 16. I turned 16 in June.
Okay. So did that scratch from like a fingernail or from like being on the ground?
From fingernails and fighting.
Okay, so it's just like scratch marks. Okay. Did you, was he punching you like physically with the closed fist?
And pushed my hair.
Okay. Did any of that hurt at all?
Just my hair hurting when he was pulling my hair.
Okay. But him punching you didn't hurt? Okay. Did he like punch you first?
Yeah, he ran up on me, yeah.
Just ran up on you, started hitting you, and then you started fighting back, like defending yourself? Okay. Do y'all live together?
I live over here with my grandma.
Oh, you live here, you're over there visiting?
Yeah, I was helping my grandma clean up over there.
Okay, so two grandmas. Is that?
No, this her house. This her apartment. That's her house.
Oh, she got two places?
something like that. She just kept that house so they'll have somewhere to live.
I got you. Okay. So he lives over there. Who lives at that house primarily?
Him, his mother, and his other brother.
Okay. And then you stay here with grandma? Okay. All right. So she wants to press charges on him, but how do you feel about this whole thing? Do you feel like it's enough for him to go to jail for this? I mean, do you feel like...
I feel like it'll happen again because we've been like disagreeing on things. This is the first time he ever like got mad at me.
Yeah. Okay. How many times would you say that he had like punched you and pulled your hair and all that before you kind of retaliated, or was it kind of pretty quick?
It was pretty quick. Once I saw him running on me, I dropped my stuff and he started punching me first and we started fighting.
Okay. Where was he punching you at?
And man, he didn't hit me in my face, just like all over, I guess you could say.
Okay. Alright. Your grandma said somebody, you going to the doctor. You didn't go to the doctor at all? It wouldn't...
I'm fine. It's just a minor scratch and I got like I'm fine.
Okay. Is that the headache from him pulling your hair, or did he punch you in the head at all?
Someone pulling my hair.
Okay. And so he like pushed you to the ground, or like was he like
my hair like dragging out the ground?
Okay. Alright. Okay. So he has like a scratch mark on his chest. That's from you kind of defending yourself. Were you punching back as well, or were you kind of clawing? Okay. Were you telling him to stop at all during any of this, or were you just fighting bad, just cussing, just being mad, right? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, let me make a phone call. We'll see what's going to happen, and we'll go from there. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So he's going to go to jail today. All right. I know you're kind of hesitant on whether you think charges should be filed or not, but a lot of times in Texas, with family violence like this, the state, that they just err on the side of caution and take the charge. So at some point, a prosecutor will probably still contact you or grandma and say, hey, you know, how do you feel about this? Do you still want to pursue charges, whatever? It'll kind of affect how they prosecute the case. All right. This is for family violence. The case number for the report, and there's just different resources in here for just like counseling, therapy, legal resources, things like that. Your grandma, she mentioned wanting him out of the house. If he's not, I told her the same thing, but younger minds, right? If he's not willing to just willingly go, she has to evict him, okay? So just let her know that. But I'm gonna give that to you. I'm also going to call grandma real quick, let her know what's happening. Her name is Joyce, right? Okay. So I'm going to call her, let her know. Are you here with somebody else? Are you here by yourself?
Right now.
Sorry?
Just me right here right now.
Okay. All right. All right, any questions? Okay. All right, well, thanks for talking with me.
Thanks.
19-year-old Tadarian Melton was arrested on one misdemeanor case of assault on a family member. Ultimately, all charges would be dismissed only 4 months later, but he would go on to be arrested twice for evading arrest with a motor vehicle in the following years.
If he's in the jail, let's see, I gotta at least see me doing this again. You know, you ain't got nothing.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.